Land Rover Range Rover car air conditioner upgrade. First, let's open the central control decorative panel. Second, remove the air outlet of the rear air conditioner. Third, remove the central control silver decorative strip and the original car button panel. Fourth, take out this black base. Unplug the plug. Fifth, stick the adhesive pad of the original antenna to the back of our screen button, plug it in and install it. Finally, install the decorative panel back. Where our air conditioning button upgrade LCD screen has been completed, the function is normal and the appearance is more magnificent. Seat heating, so the adjustment looks more intuitive. Thank you for watching.